Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 47B, Mint Street in East Victoria Park. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom rear home is secure and private. And it's been built on a block specifically bought to increase the ability of the home to be solar passive. And we're only 1 minute away from the Archer Street coffee strip and only a minute away from the restaurants down in East Vic Park. And the home as well has 2 en-suited bedrooms with wheelchair access throughout the house. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed your tour of 47B, Mint Street in East Victoria Park. This home really needs to be looked at in person to really appreciate how solar passive and wheelchair friendly it is. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.